In this video, I will show you how to use the custom intersection tool, corner tool, and maneuver tool to create a realistic intersection. Before we start, please ensure you have created the correct roads as shown in our previous tutorial. First, select the custom intersection tool. Right-click with your mouse to sequentially select the multiple roads where you want to construct the intersection. Press the spacebar to finish the selection, and Roadrunner will automatically create an initial intersection. Then, use the corner tool to modify the intersection boundaries by dragging the reference points to control the edges of the intersection. Finally, use the maneuver tool to edit and modify the topological connections between the lanes within the intersection. Right-click to create new connections inside the intersection. Now let's use the crosswalk and stop line tool to create crosswalks in the intersection. Select the intersection, then right-click to create the crosswalk. Modify its position by dragging the control points. To match the real situation, set the crosswalk style in the Attributes panel. Next, use the tool to create stop lines. Select the precise location and right-click to place them. For other markings like no stopping grids or custom lines, use the marking tool. If you want to create a standalone traffic island, you can use the traffic island tool. Great! We have now completed the creation of the entire intersection.